Okay, this is a kind of a tutorial on making a user and making a password protected C++ file. Okay, first going to, well, since I'm using Visual C++ 2008 Express Edition, I need to include this. You probably do not unless you're using Visual Studio Express Edition also, but you're going to need, no matter what, the IOStream header file and the strain header file, at least for this part and for my version of it. Then we're going to be using namespace std. Okay, open your integer main. It doesn't have to be this random stuff. This is just how Visual C++ 2008 Express Edition does it. And I start out by making the variable that will hold the user's input, which is string, because it's an array of characters. And I say, what is the password? You can say whatever you want. It's just, you can make it whatever you want. You can make this whatever you want. And then whatever the user types will be put into the variable that you specified earlier. Now, if the user input equals password, this is where you make the password. So I'll make my password. Then it's going to say yes, that's correct. If it isn't, it's going to say incorrect. Please go F. Incorrect password, go F off. And it's going to stop so you can see what it said. Okay, now let's test it out. Okay, so what is the password? Password. Yes, that's correct. Now let's try it again. Now this time we'll put in the wrong password. Apples. Incorrect. Go F off. Okay, as you can probably tell, this is very simple, because you have to have the password in here if you want to actually know the password. You're gonna have to, you would have had to written it, or had to known the person, and the person would have had to tell you the password. If you want to mess around with this, make it better, this is really simple. I just threw this together quickly, and you can mess around with it, make it so that when you open up the when you run the file, it asks you to create or user defined password, and then when you close out and you open it back up, it could be that password. It's really up to you to change it. That's why I made this, just so you could mess around with it. And hope you guys enjoyed this, and bye.